Unlock massive techno sound instantly and forget complex mixing. In this Ableton tutorial, I'm revealing the simple Saturn and Ozone combo that will give you huge sounding techno every time. Listen to this instant transformation on these 3 tracks and how they would sound with just Ableton's limiter. If you have any questions about how to make techno like this in Ableton, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Okay, this production workflow is based on building a track on a solid low end, and honestly, I don't know about you guys, but I need to feel that powerful low end to get my track going. And once I have it, the whole production process becomes so much easier. I made this low end with just 3 samples. I layered 2 samples for the kick and 1 for the rumble, which is a deep sustained sub bass. And with the Saturn and Ozone Maximizer combination, I make my low end sound like this. Let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to achieve that. Open Ozone Maximizer on the master channel. First, set the soft clip to 100% and then adjust the threshold to hit about -7 dB LUFS. Then turn on Saturn with one of the presets in the Mastering tab. I'm using the Magic Mastering preset, which adds some nice saturation and warmth. At this point, it sounds way too boomy, but look how you can quickly reach a great balance. finally, go back to Ozone Maximizer, drop the threshold, and tweak the soft clip to get about 1 dB of limiting and hit minus 6 dB LUFS. Now you have a powerful, balanced low end that will serve as a solid foundation for your track or live set. And because you've got such a powerful low end, layering other drum samples, bass, or pads will be much easier, and that's exactly what I'll show you in my next video where I'll be using Serum 2. But here's the kicker. I'm going to show you a trick in that Serum 2 video that will completely change how you think about layering bass and drums. It's something most producers overlook, and it will give you that professional edge you've been searching for. So if you want to discover that secret layering technique, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Or if you have any questions about this Saturn and Ozone workflow or any ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments below.